Good morning. We're going to go for a little ski sled in Potter's backyard. Here we go. Woo! It's over 40 degrees. Look at this baby go. Doggies are out here playing. What a beautiful morning. There you can see my ski marks from last night. Wasn't that fun? Here comes Bella. Bella, come. Come here, Moosey. There he comes. Come here. Who are you barking at? Come here. Come here. Good boy. Who are you barking at? No. Come. Good boy.